Hi everyone, welcome back to TriniKidsTV, or hi and welcome if this is your first time with us. We are getting ready to start our circle time, and we do that by singing our good morning song. So let's sing the good morning song together. Ready, friends? Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all of our friends that are watching. Now, let's find out what day it is today. Well, if yesterday was Tuesday, what comes after Tuesday, friends? Well, maybe we should sing our 7-day song and figure it out. Let's sing together. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Great! So after Tuesday comes Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, all day long, all day long. Yes, it's Wednesday, and we are in the month of September. Can we say the months of the year? Let's say it together. The months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Very good, friends. Now, I think it's time we find out about the weather for today. And let's do that by singing our weather song. Let's sing together. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today, today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Or we can look out our windows and see what kind of weather we are having today. Well, what kind of weather are you having? Well, where I am, this is the kind of weather we are having. Take a look. Yes, it's a cloudy day today, and who knows, maybe it might rain. But that's what cloudy days mean, right? All right, now my friends, let's talk about our color of the day. What's our color of the day today? Well, our color of the day today is the color brown. What do you know that is the color brown? Well, we have dirt that's brown, there's chocolate, there's crayons, there's paints. There are lots of things that are brown. Can you think of something that might be brown where you are? Yes. So, let's talk about our shape of the day. What's our shape of the day today? Well, it's a shape that you might hear about when you're singing your nursery rhyme, Twinkle, Twinkle. Do we know what shape it is? Yes, it's a star. When you sing the nursery rhyme, Twinkle, Twinkle, you will see the star in the sky. Yes. When do we see the stars? Yes, at night. Yes, we see the stars mostly at night. Very good, friends. Now, let's talk about our letter of the day. What's our letter of the day? Well, our letter of the day today is the letter C. C is our letter of the day today. Can we think of some words that might start with the letter C? Well, there's cat, C-A-T, cat. There's cup, C-U-P, cup, that you drink in. There's cook, like you might be cooking something delicious to eat. C, and that's our letter of the day. Alright, my friends, now it's time to talk about our number of the day. What's our number of the day today? It's the number 5. Yes. What can we do to count to 5? Well, since we are talking about birthdays, let's pretend to blow out a candle. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great job, everyone. Now, my friends, now that we know our letter of the day, let's talk about our area or country of the day. Take a look at our area of the day today. Our area of the day today is Colombia. It's in South America. Take a look at some of the beautiful and wonderful places you can visit when you go to Colombia. Isn't it wonderful? I hope you can get a chance to visit very soon. Alright, my friends, did you like our area of the day? Yes. Now, let's talk about our lesson for today. And our lesson for today is a fun one. Do you enjoy birthdays? And what happens when we celebrate a birthday? Well, we have things like a birthday cake, we might have a birthday party, you get presents, and lots of other fun stuff. But something very important happens when you celebrate a birthday. You get older, yes. So, if you are 3 years old, you are going to turn 4 years old, and so on. Yes. Whenever we celebrate a birthday, that means we are 1 year older. Yes, and for today's activity, we are going to make some birthday slime. Doesn't that sound like fun? So, parents, we'll need your help to make our birthday slime. Here are the things that you would need to make your slime for today. Alright, my friends, today we are going to be making slime. Here's what you would need. You need 2/3 of a cup of glue. It can be clear or white. Half a cup of water, a teaspoon of baking soda, a tablespoon of saline solution, food coloring, or glitter. Now, in a bowl, you're going to mix your water and your glue together. The next thing you would do is that you're going to add your baking soda next. Right? And that's 1 teaspoon. Then you're going to add the saline solution, then your food coloring and your glitter, and mix together. Take a look at what it would look like. Right, and once you're finished making your slime, you can go ahead and put a number on it. The number 4 if you're 4 years old, or 3 if you're 3 years old, and that's it. Enjoy your slime, everyone. Alright, my friends, thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and we'll see you. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.